Hi, hi, yes. Hi guys, my name is Samuel Jasper. I'm from CSE department. My topic for AIT on computer networks is on use of modern routing methods in data transmission networks. Let's get into the topic. Introduction. Modern data transmission networks must handle large volumes of data, high speed communication, and dynamic network conditions. In this modern world, the data and the tech and the internet network uh, is being grown very rapidly and very fastly. The internet is provided by ISP, and not only that, the internet is provided through cables which are in the underground. Uh, Not only that, traditional routing methods are no longer sufficient to meet the demands of applications such as cloud computing, real-time communication, and IoT and mobile networks. Like I said earlier, the world and the modern world, the tech world is going very rapidly. The network is being slowed down in a very rapid way. The We need to speed up our network handling. Not only that, we need to increase our data collection and make there is no interruption occurring between the request and the server, between the user which and the server. There need to be interaction between both of them. And not only that, because of traditional routing methods, like cables and through cables and etc., it's becoming there is no longer sufficient demand to meet cloud computing, real-time communication, and etc. Modern routing methods use intelligent, adaptive, and scalable techniques to determine the most efficient paths for data transmission. These methods improve network performance, reliability, fault tolerance, and quality of services. So, instead of traditional routing methods, we need to use modern routing methods, which helps in improving many parameters: network performance, reliability, fault tolerance, and quality of services, which helps in making and request in a very fast way, in a very rapid way between the user and the server, and no interruption between them. And what's the need for modern routing method? Like, with the rapid growth of transmission networks, there is a significant increase in network size, and there is a traffic within the network and user demands. Modern applications such as video streaming, cloud services, online gaming, and real-time communication require high speed, low latency, and reliable data delivery. Let's take an example. In YouTube, we can telecast a video through live or through a video. So when we go on a live on the YouTube, many people watch the video, and like by watching, like many people watching the video, there might be a traffic uh, in the network, and there might be an interruptions, there might be bufferings, and etc. This all come under the traditional routing methods. So instead of that, we need to use modern routing method, which helps video streaming with high speed and a low latency and reliable data delivery. This is the need for it. Types of modern routing. Adaptive routing. It dynamically selects routes based on network conditions. The next one, multipath routing, uses multiple paths for transmitting the data, and it is more reliable and load balancing. Hierarchical routing. It divides larger networks into smaller regions. QoS based routing. It selects routes based on bandwidth, delay, and jitter requirements. Advantages of modern routing method. There are a lot of modern routing method. It helps in no buffering and high speed, low latency, and the quality over the quantity of the network. It improves network performance and data transmission speed. Not only that, like as I said earlier, it reduces latency and packet loss. It provides better fault tolerance and reliability, and the maintenance cost and the scalability cost may be higher initially, but it can lower the cost of the traditional routing methods. Not only that, we can scale these systems, these methods in a very rapid, fast way by through cloud computing and etc. It ensures quality of service for real-time applications. It is very efficient and very utilized for bandwidth and network resources. It supports scalability for large and complex networks. It adapts quickly to dynamic network conditions. Applications of modern routing methods. Internet and ISP network. It is very efficient routing of large-scale data traffic. So, like in traditional method, there used to be a lot of data traffic, but now in this modern world, there is a committee called ISP, which is known as Internet Service Provider, which takes care of providing the network to every each one. Uh, it provides a network through satellites, through cables, and etc. Mobile and wireless networks. Mobile and wireless networks such as 5G, 4G, and etc. Mobility handcuffs and dynamic topology. Cloud and data center networks. These cloud and data center networks store a lot of data and it is very load balancing and very high frequency and high speed data transfer. Internet of Things. Efficient communication among resource constant devices. Real-time applications such as video conferencing, VoIP, online gaming, video streaming, and etc. Challenges in modern routing. Like we have a lot of challenges in modern routing method. Uh, Example, like we scale a small system into a very large scale system, so there might be a lot of cost efficient. It takes a lot of money, and not only that, we need a lot of software engineers to scale such systems, and a lot of cost need to be put into it to scale the system. This is one of the challenges that we face in modern routing methods. Not only that, to provide internet to every each one of the person on the ground, there need to be a lot of cables need to be put under the water, and the cable should never be harmed uh, by the creatures which are in the water. This is one of the second challenges that we face. Not only that, it needs very high security because there will be a security threats. Ethical hacking takes place through root attacks and spoofing. And there will be a lot of scalability issues in very large networks and maintaining QoS guarantees in real-time systems. Example of modern routing protocol. Like we have four examples here. One is open shortest path first, which uh, takes the shortest path. Link state routing protocol uses shortest path algorithm. Border gateway protocol. It is used between autonomous systems. AODV, ad hoc on-demand distance vector. It is used in mobile ad hoc networks. Dynamic source routing. It is a source-based routine suitable for dynamic wireless networks. So here is a difference between traditional routing and modern routing. The fault tolerance in traditional routing is very low, scalability is very poor, and there are a lot of disadvantages in the traditional routing than advantages. But in the when you compare this traditional routing with modern routing, there are a lot of advantages in a lot good better way. The future trends that we have are using we can do this with AI and ML and using solid principles, software defined networking, and 5G and upcoming 6G networks. Conclusion. Modern routing methods play a crucial role in ensuring efficient and reliable data transmission in today's complex and high speed networks. And with the advancements of technology such as AI, SDN, and next generation networks like 5G and 6G, modern routing methods will continue to evolve and become more intelligent to make them essential for future data communication systems. Thank you. Thank you. Not only that uh, by using this adaptive and multipath based shortest algorithms, QoS based algorithms, and software defined routing techniques, modern network can handle dynamic traffic conditions. And not only that, mobility and large scale architecture can be done very efficiently through this modern routing method. And also, with the advancements of technologies such as artificial intelligence, software device network, and next generation networks like 5G and 6G, modern routing methods will continue to evolve and become more intelligent, making them essential for future data communication systems. Thank you. Thank you for joining.